Speak with purpose, understanding audience and purpose in idiomatic expressions. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's lesson where we're going to dive deep into the world of idiomatic expressions. However, we're not just focusing on what these idioms mean, but more importantly, when and how to use them correctly. Contextual appropriateness is key, and today, our specific topic is understanding the audience and purpose. Let's get started. The term, understanding the audience and purpose, may sound somewhat technical, but it's quite straightforward. It refers to understanding who you are speaking or writing to, the audience, and why you're communicating, the purpose. In terms of idiomatic expressions, this is crucial. Remember, idioms are not always appropriate in every context. An idiom you might use casually with friends could sound unprofessional in a business meeting or an academic paper. Similarly, a complex idiom may confuse someone who's not a native speaker. Understanding your audience and purpose helps ensure your language use is suitable. Understanding the audience means being aware of who you're communicating with. Here are some factors to consider. 1. Native versus non-native speakers. Native speakers will understand a wide range of idiomatic expressions, while non-native speakers may only know the more common ones. 2. Formality. In a professional or academic context, people usually expect a more formal register, which means you need to use idioms judiciously. In casual or informal contexts, a broader range of idioms can be used. 3. Knowledge of the topic. If the audience has a solid understanding of the topic, you can use idioms that are specific to that subject area. Always ask yourself, is this idiom appropriate for this audience? Understanding the purpose of your communication is also vital. What are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to persuade, inform, entertain, or educate? Idiomatic expressions can be potent tools when used purposefully. They can add flavor and interest to your language, make complex ideas more understandable, or emphasize a point. But always ensure that your chosen idiom supports your communication goal and doesn't detract from it. To solidify our understanding, let's consider a hypothetical situation. You're writing an academic paper on climate change. Your audience is well-versed in the topic, experts in the field, and your purpose is to inform and persuade. Would you use the idiom, to beat around the bush, in your paper? Probably not. While this idiom, which means avoiding the main topic, might be understood, it's too informal for this context. Instead, a phrase like, a drop in the ocean, meaning a very small part of something much bigger, could be a more appropriate idiom to use when discussing individual efforts against the enormity of climate change. Well, that brings us to the end of our lesson on understanding the audience and purpose in idiomatic expressions. Remember, it's not just about knowing a lot of idioms, it's about using them correctly and effectively. Always consider your audience and your purpose before using idiomatic expressions. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to be more mindful of how you use idioms. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.